Hi everyone, my name is Regina Mabia. I am an international student from Cameroon, and I just took my NCLEX RN this January. On the 3rd and on the 5th of January, I got my unofficial results that I passed with 85 questions using quick facts. I use quick facts, and I also use the V2. Here is my downloadable workbook. I downloaded and printed it and filled every information in it. And I also followed through with the ReMar 7 days NCLEX in December. I also did the Kahoot exercises, the Thanksgiving sales. I was there. In fact, I followed through all her program, ReMar University and everything. And I made sure that I had a very rich content background because I am a repeat test taker. The first mistake I did in the first time was that I went by questions and I followed only questions and failed. ReMar always emphasizes that when you want to do the NCLEX, content first before questions. I did basically just 600 questions the second time and I passed with the minimum. So I want to say that the NCLEX resources of ReMar are very straight to point, easy to understand. And if you are a visual learner like me who likes to see, hear and write, I want to say that this resource is marvelous, it's wonderful. The Monday morning motivations by ReMar went a long way to encourage me as an international student. I had a lot of difficulties in doing my documentation, but ReMar always came, encouraged us, even using biblical verses, praying for us with the husband, Pastor Mark. I want to say God bless you, ReMar. You are indeed a very good and wonderful professor. I commend you for that. You always say you are the number one all over the world. I am a testimony that truly you are number one all over the world. I passed the NCLEX with 85 questions. Guys, go for ReMar. You can, you will, and you must pass the NCLEX. Make sure you attend all our live sessions, Winning Wednesdays, the Kahoot games, and all of that. Follow her, never lose her. You can, you will, and you must pass the NCLEX. With God, all things are possible. I'm looking forward to work in the OBGYN department, and I am so excited for this wonderful journey. Yay! Thank you, ReMar. God bless you, everyone.